One day your Delonghi Dedica espresso machine may start blinking with an orange light like this. What does it mean? It means that we need to do descaling. To do descaling procedure, we need to, first of all, fill the water tank with water, remove the holder, it won't be needed, and 2 glasses. And the descaling liquid itself, I use original one by Delonghi called descale, but honestly speaking, you can use third-party brand products. Nothing wrong would happen, but just try to choose lactic acid-based solutions. I would put several links in the pinned comment for some products that I use. We have a measurements here. Please be careful because lactic acid is very mild acid, but still it's an acid. Place 1 glass here, place 1 glass here. Press the orange blinking button for 10 seconds. Lights started blinking, and now we just open the steam vent. In total, we will need around half an hour for this procedure. And press the button. But also we need to clean this part, coffee pot, so time by time switch this off, it will go from here and then return again. But most of the time you should be on this mode, on the steam vent mode. It's very important to understand that the machine itself in reality doesn't analyze the water anyhow, it just switches on this alarm for descaling after a certain amount of cups made. That's why it's very important to run this descaling cycle fully in accordance with the manual, in order to let it understand that you did it. In other case, the orange light will continue to blink. In that case, you can run the descaling again, but for the second time you can use just the water without the descaling. And you can even see these particles of limestone. At some moment, when all the water will be used by the machine, it will stop the pump automatically, but the orange light will continue to blink. It's time to rinse it with the fresh water, because we don't want our coffee to be with some lactic acid which still is inside of the machine. Rinse the water tank. Make it full with the fresh water again. To start the rinsing cycle, we need to press this button again shortly, but pay attention, the steam vent should be open. Still switch between coffee and steam several times, and now the process will be much faster. And it stops, and the orange light turned off. We are almost done, just close the steam vent. For me personally, I prefer make one more quick rinse, just make an espresso without coffee. You know, just to be sure. And from the steam vent also. Okay, it's more than enough now. We are done?